This video, we will discuss about some definitions related to mirror. We know that the reflecting surface is a part of a sphere. If the reflecting surface is curved inward, then that type of mirror is known as a concave mirror. So here, as you see in the diagram, this is a concave mirror, right? Since this concave mirror is a part of a sphere, this reflecting surface is a part of a sphere, there must be some center, there must be some radius. So, what are the definitions? Since this is a sphere and this is the center, this point is known as center of curvature. What is this point known as? Center of curvature, and it is denoted by capital C. Now, a sphere is there, the radius must be there. So that radius is known as radius of curvature. That radius is known as radius of curvature, which is denoted by capital R. Now, if this is the reflecting surface, अगर ये हमारे कॉन्केव मिरर की रिफ्लेक्टिंग कॉन्केव मिरर है, तो जो इसका सेंटर पॉइंट है, मिडल पॉइंट, इस पॉइंट को हम बोलेंगे पोल. इस पॉइंट को हम क्या बोलेंगे? पोल. और ये किससे डिनोट करा जाता है? कैपिटल पी से. माय डियर स्टूडेंट, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस फैक्ट दैट दीज डिनोशंस आर ऑलवेज इन कैपिटल लेटर. आप इनको स्मॉल लेटर्स में डिनोट नहीं कर सकते. पोल इज डिनोटेड बाय कैपिटल पी. रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर इज डिनोटेड बाय आर, कैपिटल आर, and center of curvature is denoted by capital C. You know the center, the line which joins the pole and the center of curvature is radius of curvature. This is radius, since in a sphere it is known as radius. So यहाँ हम इसको radius of curvature बोलेंगे. अब ये जो लाइन सेगमेंट आपको दिख रहा है, पोल से लेके सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, इसको हम प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस बोलते हैं. And principal axis is denoted by PC, that is equals to R. What is P here? Pole. And what is C? Center of curvature, which is equals to R, that is radius of curvature. Let us have a quick recap. This is a concave mirror, a curved inward reflecting surface. The middle point, the center point of this surface is called as pole, which is denoted by capital P. This is the center of the sphere, which is known as center of curvature, denoted by capital C. The radius is known as radius of curvature, denoted by capital R, and this radius is also known as principal axis, that is PC equals to R. This is, in this diagram, this is very much clear. See, again this is a concave mirror, right? And what is this? Aperture. What is aperture? Aperture क्या बोलते हैं? The diameter of the reflecting surface. इस reflecting surface का जो diameter होता है, उसको हम aperture बोलते हैं, M1, M2. As it is clear from the figure, this is center of curvature, this is principal axis, PC, and pole, and this is focus. My dear student, I will explain focus of a spherical mirror in the next video. I hope you understood this video. So, my dear student, let us continue the next topic in the next video. So, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Have a great day ahead.